So this is my how-to guide on how to release a Bosch washing machine door if it gets stuck during a cycle. There is an emergency release on this door on the Bosch Logixx 8 and some of the other models as well. Not all models have this emergency release, but if you're not sure, you can always try and find out for yourself. We're going to put this onto spin. Then, while your machine's in play, you obviously can't open it unless you press the start pause. And no will change to yes. And you can open the door, add your items, and resume. If the power is interrupted for whatever reason, let's say you have a power cut and you have a load of delicate items in there that will bleed if within the warm water and you need to take them out or get destroyed or whatever, or let's say the power is not interrupted by a power cut but rather by something else. Let's say the fuse is blown in the plug and you can't get out the plug socket to change the fuse very quickly. And let's say the board may have even blown and therefore you'll get no power. Sometimes that also happens. The door will remain locked forever and ever and ever and ever, but help is at hand. So if you get into this situation and you need to open the door, there's something you can do. We'll go down to this flap at the bottom. Now, if you don't know about this, this is where your cooling filter trap is located. But on the side here, there's a little grey toggle. When you pull that, it's pulling down on the switch. So to open the door, you have to pull down on this switch and then pull the door open as well. Now, that still remains locked when we reclose it, because the door lock is registered as locked. It's a bit of a pull. You do have to pull it hard, but it will eventually work. And then you can get at your washing what's inside. There is nothing in here, this is just a test. Once you're done, once you've got your items out, you can reclose the flap. Clip it in place. So let's see what happens now when the power resumes. The display's automatically gone to yes, as in you can open the door. It still knows it's within the cycle, and it actually knows that the door's actually open. Close the door, and now that the power's back on, you can actually press start pause, and it will resume its cycle from where it left off. And that's it. That is just a basic how-to guide on how to emergency release your door on a Bosch Logixx 8 washing machine. This model number is WAS 32461 GB. Right, so thank you for watching the video. If you found this video helpful to use on your own Bosch Logixx at home.